For the running of trial number 3 here at Melton. Mobile coming around the home turn. Ready to run. Trial 3 Melton. They're all set. Trotters are ready. Green light on. And they're off and trotting in trial number 3. Beginning quickly to lead here is Here's the Mighty Spin from in second placing Fling It Rainbow and Hatchback last of the 3 runners. So they sorted themselves out pretty quickly. Going out of the straight the first time, the 3 trotters heading towards the back straight for the first time. And the leader in front is Here's the Mighty Spin. The Danny Mullen prepared and Zach Phillips driven leads by 10 metres to him second placing in the field to Fling It Rainbow, the Albert Sapphire and Lance Justice driven. And last of the 3 runners for John Justice is Hatchback. So the trotters head down the back straight for the first time with 1,700 metres left to trot. And the leader up in front here is Here's the Mighty Spin. Leads by 7 metres. Second placing in the field to Fling It Rainbow. And about 5 metres away to Hatchback, last of the 3 runners. Inside the 1,600 metre mark they travel. And the lead time posted in 48.9. As the trotters are about to work off the back straight with about less than 1,500 metres left to go. It's Here's the Mighty Spin in front. Just getting a bit on the steel there for Zach Phillips. Leads by 5 metres. 2 in second placing in the field to Fling It Rainbow and Hatchback, last of the 3 runners for John Justice. There's no more than about 6 metres coming from first to last. The trotters come into the straight with about 1,200 metres left to trot. And Here's the Mighty Spin runs through the first quarter in 32.9. 5 metres away in second placing Fling It Rainbow and Hatchback is still last of the 3 runners. At the bell with a circuit left to go and Here's the Mighty Spin in front. Still leads by 5 metres and keen to go up in front from in second placing in the field to Fling It Rainbow and Hatchback still last of the 3 runners and no more than about 8 metres coming from first to last. 850 metres left to go and Here's the Mighty Spin heading past the 800 metre mark and make its way towards the back straight for the final time in the second quarter in 30.9. So they're certainly now putting on the speed heading down the back straight for the final time. Here's the Mighty Spin for Zach Phillips, leads 6 metres. Fling It Rainbow second and now coming one off the marker pegs. Hatchback last of the 3 runners, no more than about 6 metres coming from first to last. 500 metres left to go as they work off the back straight. Here's the Mighty Spin in front, leads by 2 metres. Getting up to the leader's wheel in second placing his Hatchback and last of all on the inside is Fling It Rainbow. No more than 4 metres coming from first to last. Heading off the back straight. Third quarter in 29.4. We're on the outside. Hatchback draws 2-3 metres clear from in second placing. Here's the Mighty Spin and 5 metres away to Fling It Rainbow. The 120 metre mark. It's Hatchback nicely clear here for John Justice. Has opened up, now found 15 metres clear. Good go for the Miners. Here's the Mighty Spin and then followed by Fling It Rainbow. But it's all Hatchback. Hatchback's going to bolt in and win it by 15 metres. Here's the Mighty Spin second. Fling It Rainbow, last of the 3 runners. Last quarter in 29.9. Aldebaran Park mile rate 23.8. So a lead time of 48.9. Quarters 32.9. 30.9, off the back in 29.4, and the run home in 29.9. Placings 3, 2 and 1. The overall time 2:52.3. Mile rate 23.8. Last mile in 23.4. 59.4 for the last half. 22 metres by 3, the margins after trial number 3.